Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all you Minecraft Bedrock players out there. RTX. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to explore how ray tracing is transforming the way we experience Minecraft, and I'll be sharing all the latest updates, tips, and tricks to get the most out of this incredible feature. So, grab your pickaxe, and let's get started. First off, let's break down what RTX actually is. RTX, or ray tracing, is a rendering technique that simulates the way light interacts with objects in a virtual environment. This means more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, making your Minecraft world look absolutely stunning. With the introduction of RTX for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, players can now experience their favorite blocky universe like never before. Now, let's talk about the latest updates. As of October 2023, Mojang has rolled out several enhancements to the RTX feature. The most significant update includes improved performance optimizations, allowing even mid-range PCs to run ray tracing smoothly. This means you don't need a top-of-the-line graphics card to enjoy these breathtaking visuals. Check this out. On the left, we have the standard graphics, and on the right, the RTX-enabled version. Just look at those reflections and the way the light interacts with the water. It's like a whole new game. Alright, let's get into how you can enable RTX in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's super easy. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. This feature is specifically designed for RTX cards, so if you're using an older GPU, you might not be able to access these stunning visuals. Next, ensure your Minecraft Bedrock Edition is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in the Microsoft Store or your gaming platform. Once you're in the game, head to the Settings menu, then to the Video Settings. Here, you'll find the option to enable ray tracing. Just toggle it on, and you're good to go. Finally, make sure you're playing in a world that supports RTX. You can find several pre-built worlds in the marketplace designed specifically for ray tracing. Now that you've got RTX enabled, let's talk about some of the best resource packs to enhance your experience even further. Here are a few that you definitely don't want to miss. 1. NVIDIA's RTX Resource Pack. This is the official pack from NVIDIA, and it's a must-have. It enhances textures and lighting, making everything look incredibly realistic. 2. Realistico. This pack takes realism to the next level with high-resolution textures and detailed models. It's perfect for players who want a more immersive experience. 3. Pure Beadcraft. If you love a cartoonish style but still want to enjoy RTX, Pure Beadcraft is the way to go. It combines vibrant colors with ray tracing effects beautifully. Now, while RTX looks amazing, it can be demanding on your system. Here are some tips to optimize performance while still enjoying those stunning visuals. Reducing your render distance can significantly improve performance without sacrificing too much visual quality. Experiment with the graphics settings to find the perfect balance between performance and quality. Sometimes, lowering shadow quality can help. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. One of the best parts about RTX in Minecraft is the creativity it inspires in the community. Let's take a look at some incredible builds that showcase the power of ray tracing. From sprawling cities to intricate castles, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking for inspiration, check out these amazing creations on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram. Just search for #MinecraftRTX to see what the community is up to. So there you have it, folks. RTX for Minecraft Bedrock is a game changer, bringing a whole new level of immersion and beauty to our favorite blocky world. If you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Dive in and experience it for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your RTX experiences in the comments below, and let us know what builds you're working on. Until next time, keep crafting and exploring. See you in the next video.